Good evening. This is Dr. Ben Carson, a.k.a. Ben Bosson in the streets. Unfortunately, I've had to suspend my campaign because I'm not doing the numbers I used to be doing in these streets. But hey, when you are busy repairing the cerebral cortexes of infant refugee children from Botswana, you don't have time for flim-flam like Donald Trump. So, it is what it is. Bodega Boys are in the building. Ben Bosson is in the building. Candy Gangsta Windchime Volume Music Volume 5 is about to go down. It's on Spotify right now. You know what I'm saying? Y'all niggas need to go listen to that. I'm getting excited now because I understand the future is mine to have. I think that I might join Donald Trump as vice president. You heard it here first on Bodega Boys. I'm running for vice president with Donald Trump. Ben Bosson. And if you ever dare to question me, think to yourself, close your eyes and say to yourself, have I ever, with my gifted hands, opened the cerebellum of a baby wombat? No, you have not, so shut your motherfucking mouth. Bodega Boys Volume 58, nigga. This shit is lit. Let's go. Drop the beat, nigga.
Yo, Bodega Boys in the building.
Oh, we here now.
Episode 17.
Yo.
17 dubs up in this bitch.
17,
It's your boy, Jesus Nice, a.k.a. Young Chipotle.
What?
And I just like to take a pause. Now, Chipotle, again, is in the news.
Oh,
Another flare-up of the nanovirus, some sort of virus. Shout out to U.S. Magazine that was like, yo, Chipotle's closing because they have the virus. I would just like to point out you have to be more specific.
Chipotle got Zika, nigga.
You can't just be like the virus. As always, shout out to our sponsors, Zika, Narcan, ISIS, K2, and Red Bull. We're here live.
You know what I'm saying?
220 West 18th Street.
That's right, nigga.
Do the drop. Do the drop.
Live from Red Bull Studios, New York.
Oh! Yeah, we got some things to talk to you about. This is the art that you guys been waiting for.
Here's your art.
And here's the art. And I commiserate with y'all. Y'all wanted the art. And as I told somebody, I was like, listen, once you release the expectation of art, the art comes.
You know what I'm saying?
You know what I'm saying?
So just think it into existence. Put it on your vision board, beloved.
There you go. Get
you know what I'm saying?
Get your Ayala on. While you're rubbing yourself in the
Not on my watch.
There you go. While you're rubbing yourself in the shower and bigging yourself up. Be like, yo, maybe the art drop today. Maybe it doesn't. But here it is now.
You know what I'm saying?
And now you're happy.
That's right.
You're glowing. Your pum wet.
That's right.
Oh,
Boom,
man.
boom, bring life.
Speaking of pum that brings life.
Oh.
Ayesha Curry.
Oh, shit.
You know, listen, she got 2 kids.
Boom, brought life.
Twice. And she got Steph Curry. Steph shooting for 40. You know what I'm saying? Just lighting
All
it up
day,
out there.
Like your boy pulling up.
Look at that. The Curry. Shout out to that happy fucking scrambled egg looking couple.
I love it. You know what's great?
Man.
I love it because I know, like, as a married man, I know that that's like the cool part. Like, niggas always want to show you the cool part. They don't want to show you the whack part. They don't want to show you the part where, like, Aisha's like, motherfucker, if you piss on the toilet one more fucking time, I don't care how many 3-pointers you shoot, nigga. If you pee on this fucking toilet one more time, that's your ass.
There you go.
Fucking light skin season. Niggas think he cute. He got green eyes.
That's what it is, man.
Right. That's what real
Because
shit.
Ayesha Curry's gone from being a person to being a noun or adjective for like a characteristic you want.
That's right.
And your girl, you want her to be modest.
Goals.
Goals.
Hashtag goals. She's hashtag goals Curry. She's not even Aisha Curry.
She's not even a
no
real
more.
person. She's just like, yo.
She's an idea.
And guys are like, yo, I want a nice modest girl like her. Doesn't show off. She's quiet.
She's a concept.
She keeps the goods to me.
Listen.
Nah, not everybody wants that. Maybe some of us want Thotty McFotty, all right?
You know what I'm saying?
Maybe I want to go to Miami with a girl who keeps having nip slips.
That's
you
right.
know what I'm saying?
On purpose.
On purpose. Got the wild chunky butt and wear stuff to like show it off. Got no proper pants, just yoga pants all the time.
Who cares?
Who cares? I love that
You know
shit.
what I'm saying? That shit is lit.
So yeah, you know, Ayesha Curry, you know, she's out here.
Is
that, you know?
Yeah, she's out here. I mean, yo, you know what? I'm not mad at her. You know what I'm saying? Like, I'm not mad at her, and I'm not like on her dick neither. You know what I'm saying?
Hey,
like,
yo, people were saying that you have the difference between Ayesha Curry and Kim K. So
I mean,
I'm listen.
I mean,
It's different, you know.
I mean, like, I feel like Kim.
You know what? I feel like see, the thing is like you gotta be with someone who fucks with shit the same way you fuck with.
Right.
So Kim K and Kanye are both like wild egomaniacs, so
Right.
they work together.
Right.
Steph Curry and Ayesha are wild corny. So they work together. You know what I'm saying? So it's like, if you're like in the crack and your girl's in the crack, y'all good. Y'all need that one
like,
common thing. It has to be, I think it's like, listen, I think it says something in the Bible about you got to be like a cord with 3 strands.
Yeah.
And, you know, it's your boo, and God. Remove God and replace it with corniness, crack, or, you know, or selfies.
You know what I'm saying?
You know what I'm saying? You good.
Vines. Me and my wife's thing is that we both are really upset that Stabler left SVU, and we feel like the show has really suffered.
That's something y'all can really y'all can
really bond over that.
You
know what I'm saying?
That's about you have to have something to bond over.
Also 3 children. You could bond over that sometimes.
Yeah.
Too.
Yeah, me and my ex, we bonded over my infidelity. So
that's lit.
You know,
that's lit.
You know, that was our common core curriculum. Shout out, I love you, boo. Shout out to my hidden family out in Wisconsin.
Shout out to them.
Coming to visit y'all maybe in August.
Out in
maybe
Carbondale.
Not.
You know what I'm saying?
I would FaceTime you. I do not have a strong Wi-Fi connection.
Yo, niggas are so ill because I look up names of towns and like a city and then just throw it out there and niggas be like, oh shit, yo, you know about Carbondale, nigga?
Yeah,
I'm like, no, I don't at all. Actually,
out to these places,
I don't even know. I know how to spell it because I looked it up on fucking Google.
Yo, shout out to Tohatchee, New Mexico. That's a real place.
You know what I'm saying?
Shout out to them. They got a lot of dogs and Native Americans.
Shout out to New Bedford, Massachusetts. What's up? Well, this is a little town.
Another little town.
Shout out to Darien, Connecticut. Is that a little town?
Meth, West Virginia.
Oh, that's right. Yeah.
Shout out to Africa City.
Yeah, it's in Oxycontin County.
Shout out to everyone listening to this, wherever you are.
Making drugs in your bathtub.
I'm saying, you know, we'll probably come join you when the world crashes because Donald Trump is president.
Yo, Donald Trump is gonna be president. I want you niggas, listen, I told you niggas, yo, the other day I predicted the 40-foot Steph Curry game winner. I predicted last night blowout win by the Knicks. I predicted, yo, I'm sorry, Donald Trump is gonna be president.
He's gonna be president.
Niggas is gonna be quiet for you niggas. I got my Dominican passport on deck.
A lot of people were just like, no, that could never happen in America. What do you think was going on in Germany when Hitler was coming to party? Everyone was like, yo, I'm worried about this guy, but
yo, son, you know how niggas, how the fucking, they got the thing now where they put 4 pictures and it's like a picture morphing into a thing?
Yeah.
Every day I see Donald Trump morphing into Hitler. Yo, there was a vine of him saying, like, these lights are too bright. Turn off the lights. And everybody said, and he had everybody chanting, turn off the lights. Chanting, nigga. Like adults. Yo, chant with me.
Did you see when they did the salute?
Turn off the lights. Yeah.
Yo.
Put your right hand. Put your right hand up. Put your right hand up. Put your right hand up. Whatever. If you're voting for Trump, that's what you're saying in the booth. Whatever.
Oh, man.
Let's get it popping. Let's get it popping. So
the only good thing is going to be the Wolfenstein 3D we get for America after fucking
Trump in a giant robot suit with his head in the middle like Krang.
Like Krang. Like, vote for me. Yo, Trump's not going to know what the fuck to do.
I'll get rid of the Mexicans.
He's going to have like an SS Nazi army and it's going to be made up of like Mexican people and black people who just fell in and just voting for him.
All Mexicans fucking nigga thinks Puerto Rico is not part of the United States.
Here's an important knowledge chart. A lot of people did not realize. Do you know you cannot threaten Donald Trump on Twitter? The Secret Service will visit you. If you go on Twitter right now and you tweet out, I'm going to kill Donald Trump.
What?
You are going to get 2 pasty white guys with earpieces sitting on your couch asking you questions.
Oh, they already did.
Going through your browser history.
That's like a Tuesday.
And asking why you took, 20 minutes in the GILF section. What was going on there last night?
Yo!
That's wild.
I like a wrinkly nipple.
So he's going to keep using that when he becomes president. He's going to use that. Like, they're going to get us out the paint.
Oh, yeah. Niggas are gone. Forget it. If your parents weren't born here, it's quiet for you.
Yeah.
You know what I'm saying?
They're going to have that big-ass wall. Even, we got planes that could go over that. But whatever.
Damn. Maxed out.
You know what? Y'all not going to get a good bacon, egg, and cheese if he gets rid of all the Mexicans.
That's true.
Just throwing that out there.
Just throwing that out there.
All right? Because listen, who runs Bodega? We're Bodega Boys.
That's right.
Even though somebody, people were saying that, we're selling out. Somebody said we're not Bodega Boys anymore, we're the 7-Eleven pals.
Oh, yeah.
Well, I can see that. I can see that. Fuck y'all.
Fuck y'all niggas.
Yeah, I'm selling out. You know what I'm saying? That's what you're supposed to do. You're supposed to sell out. That's the whole point of life. Sell it up.
That's right.
You know what I'm saying? I don't want to shop at National Liquidators for the rest of my life.
Crazy, fam. Yo, by the way, shout out to Curbed for that great piece that dropped.
That was amazing.
You know growing up in the Bronx.
All right. Shout out.
Really
you see, this is our whole life. Yeah. We brought beautiful. Shout out to Mercedes and them. We brought them from Curb. They came to the Bronx.
Molly Water.
You know what I'm saying? We out there Ryan and all them. We shoot it out there. Where'd you come from in the Bronx? Oh, this is where we grew up. Blah blah blah. We try to show a nice face. They use it for the redesign of their website. White people are like, this is lovely. So what do you filthy Bronx people do?
6 hours later, 12 hours later,
you shoot someone in the head. Literally the corner. We were standing on with Curb. How do you think Mercedes and them felt when they saw it?
12 o'clock in the afternoon.
In the afternoon.
You know what? I bet you them niggas felt like Bourdain when he comes back from Afghanistan.
Yeah.
Like, yo, nigga, we
Somebody
was
was
out
like,
there.
yo, y'all could have died. Well, you know,
Yo,
listen, anything for the story.
It's the risk you take when you want to
Listen.
get a great story.
We just wanted to capture the Dickensian aspect of the Bronx.
Yo. Shout out to Dwayne Calhoun. Shout out to Throngs Like Houses. We out
Yo,
here,
a stat came out this week
You know what I'm saying?
that said, even though the Bronx is only 17% of the New York City population, we are responsible for 25% of the shootings.
25% plus. I got to throw the plus at the end.
Yo,
there.
don't ever
It could
ask,
be like 27.8.
Don't ever ask if we bust our guns.
You know what I'm saying? We out here.
Somebody was asking me the other day. They was like, "Yo, are you afraid to get slashed?" I was like, "Well, that'd be bad.
Yeah. I mean,
It's not it's not ideal.
Yeah, it's not-
like I'm not. It's not on my to-do list.
would you rather
but
get shot? I mean,
would you rather? You know what? That's the thing. You get shot in the Bronx. You're not usually gonna die.
No, you're not.
But you're gonna be fucked up.
Yeah.
Now you're gonna. Yo, you know how it was fucked up with like you in a wheelchair with fly Jordans and shit, and then niggas got
man.
comments on that
That's
shit.
the worst.
Or you can't really boogie.
niggas mad at
because-
you when you get on the bus.
You know what I'm saying? You delaying it for 25
damn.
minutes. When it rains, your hip hurts. 'Cause the fucking
That's
the
the
4 or
worst.
5 slug is like touching on your hip bone. It's not cool.
That shit is whack.
You don't want that shit.
That shit is whack.
People
Yo,
do,
you don't want to be
do
the
a wild
OG.
patronizing dance with you at the barbecue.
Oh,
Come
God.
on, Jesus.
Yo,
Dance. As a little
God.
kid is like moving your arms, but you can't really dance in the wheelchair. We have seen this. I seen it.
You just
I don't
spin in
want
your
that.
fucking wheelchair. Doing
Yo.
fucking donuts.
Jesus used to dance.
That nigga got the joystick on the shit like.
It's like that. That's not
Turns
cool.
sideways.
I don't want that.
They got the joystick.
I don't want that in my life.
Why they call it shit? Yo, it's a joystick on video games. On the wheelchair, it's not a joystick.
not a
nigga.
joystick
it's
at
a misery
all.
stick. shit is a damn nigga.
Oh
Shit's a
man.
damn nigga stick.
Oh man. Oh man. Oh, the problematic light just came on.
Oh shit. Problematic.
Problematic. Speaking of problematic, we're not going to South by Southwest this year.
Yo, why don't you niggas want Yo Chipotle and the fucking Plantain Supernova at South by Southwest?
What? Well, come on,
Tell
man.
me why.
Come on.
know
Any
what I'm saying?
brand could send us down there.
That's right.
We almost died last year, but still, whatever.
Fuck it, you know what I'm saying? It's lit.
Like Maya Angelou says, still I rise.
Still not right. And there's a
Still
great
I
video
rise.
of you beating up a donkey mascot or fighting a donkey mascot somewhere. on the
That's true.
internet.
It's out there,
We
man.
out here.
It's out
Niggas
there.
drinking Fireball straight from the bottle. Pause.
This was right.
You know what
This
I'm
was
saying?
right.
Yeah.
You know, Obama's going, so South by Southwest, it might be quiet for South by Southwest.
True.
You know what I'm saying?
Oh, now it's like wash because
It's kinda
Obama's like
wash.
going with his dad sandals and shit.
Yeah, he's gonna be like, you people,
Yeah.
listen to BIC.
Listen to me.
Bitches is crazy. Shout out to Bitches Crazy.
I'm going to be at the Doritos Pavilion next week. for you guys.
secret performance on 6th Street with Kanye.
It's going to be lit. Nasir Jones, Nas, one of my favorite rappers, is going to be opening for BIC.
It's gonna be so wild. Kidavelli spinning,
You know
and
what I'm saying?
Obama just hits the stage.
Okay,
Like,
nigga, we out here.
Kidavelli, bring it back. Just dabs.
Run it back.
Oh man.
I'm going to hit this dab right
But
now.
no, like, listen, we have no self-respect, and I feel like more corporations should be reaching out to
Yeah.
us.
Niggas are stupid. Like, we won't endorse anything.
I
Like, yo,
won't
holla at
endorse
me, nigga.
anything, man.
You know what I'm saying? Niggas,
Yo,
Kotex, holla at us.
Yo, dog,
Anybody.
I almost did a commercial for Black Rhino dick pills from the local bodega.
Fuck it,
All right,
nigga.
I don't even know what's in that shit.
It's fam.
know what I'm
I'm on the do-rag
I do
pouch.
all
You know what I'm
that.
saying? I'm on that.
You know what? If Donald Trump came right now and was like $1,000, shout me out. I'd be like, yo, you know what? You know what
cut the
America
check.
needs? More walls.
A beautiful wall.
A beautiful wall.
A big wall.
You know what I'm
Yeah,
saying?
did you see the Democratic national debate yesterday?
I saw. Listen.
Snooze fest. Snooze fest because
But you
they're
know
all
what it
like
is?
talking
Because
about
it's
policies.
responsible versus the
Yeah.
Republican debate, which isn't responsible.
No.
It's like having sex with your girl or your
Yeah.
wife
Yeah.
versus the nasty fuck shit sex you have with your side chick.
Listen.
Where you're doing nasty shit, trying to drown her in the bathtub in
Oh,
a Ramada.
boy. Oh,
you know what I'm saying? It's fun, but you can't do that all the time, all right? And so you have the missionary style with condom
Yeah.
sex
Yeah.
that is the Democratic,
Yeah.
Republican
Very
debate.
safe.
The Democratic debate.
Nobody
Very
being put at
safe.
risk.
You know what I'm saying? No at risk at all. No at risk. Got to cuddle at the end. You apologize for nutting on her stomach.
it.
It's whatever.
Yo.
So I watched it. Your man Bernie Sanders, you know, he out there.
I gotta tell you, and he kept hitting the mic because
Yeah.
he keeps doing like the Jewish uncle hand
Doing
waving
the
shit.
hand thing.
All the blacks and Latinos in the ghettos, and he just smacked the mic man hard. I'm like, yo, what the fuck?
Oh,
Looking like
Bernie
Ali with the
Sanders-
torch out there.
Bernie
But
Sanders seems like he's always yelling at you about
Yo.
something. Like
he's like
scolding you.
he's my sophomore year biology teacher.
He's
from-
like when you get
at
on the
Dewey
train
Clan.
and you got like your bag is blocking the seat, and he like wants to sit down, but he's going to tell you about how things are.
Yeah.
And then Hillary, well, you know how
Hillary, yo,
you know how the Hillary bot 3000
they're
is.
both to me. They're both like school faculty to me.
Yeah.
Bernie is the fucking science teacher, you know what I'm saying, Mr. Levy, and fucking Hillary's the principal, B. That's just like, yo, hola, abuela, when your grandma comes in and she don't speak no English. Hola, como está? I'm like, nigga, stop.
Listen, if Bernie and Hillary wrote thumbnails on Pornhub, I ain't clicking.
I'm not clicking.
I'm not clicking. They're not intriguing. I don't want to see what's going on here. Meanwhile, you go to fucking like the
Donald Trump is the thumbnail that just shows the gaping asshole. Like, yo, what is this? What is this shit?
I feel dirty for clicking this, but
let me see what this is.
Marco Rubio is some like SD porn from back in the day.
Get
you
him
don't want to
out
do
of
it
here.
no more.
Get him out of here. He got exposed. People were gonna vote for him because he had a strong like politician hair.
Yeah,
and his shit is not up there like that. No. He's frying. He's trying to
play up his Cuban shit now.
Yeah, nah.
Is he from Cuba?
Ted Cruz doesn't even speak Spanish.
And then Ted Cruz was like, "Donde está la biblioteca?"
Nigga did the fucking commercial shit.
Like, Ted Cruz he was like, 1994. And they was like, well, that wasn't really an answer to anything.
Niggas like quesalupa. Niggas like, yo, that's not Spanish, fam. That's not even a real word.
Oh, man. All right.
Nigga Victor got a shape up now. He's getting fancy. Niggas trying to go to the bathroom and shit.
He's trying to get hoes and shit. See him? He's trying to get hoes. He's about to be selling teeth whitener and fucking detox tea on Instagram.
And shit, nigga. What? Yo, you stupid niggas. Yo, that detox tea is baby laxative.
Stop,
you fucking worm.
Don't do this. Because my
niggas get their hustle on?
future baby mama doing that right now. Listen, the Desus baby is still in effect. It's getting warm out here.
Yo, it's getting warm.
Shout out to everyone out there that you feel sad because you woke up this morning and it was beautiful. Yeah. And now you got to explain to the world how the warm weather makes you a hoe.
Yeah.
And it's not your control.
It's beautiful, man.
Like, you know what? This is go be with your Twitter hoe weather. Yeah. And you be like, okay. Yeah. You know what I'm saying? Like, listen, it's not in us. Like, not like monogamy is not natural. And
that's funny. You just said that when you just texted me.
She was like, don't listen to Desus. Don't listen to Desus. Monogamy is not natural, and it gets warm, and you know what I'm saying? The pheromones start going.
Yeah.
You know what I'm saying? Do you understand how hard it is for me as a faithful Christian, stable man,
good Christian man,
black man,
church on Sundays for 6 hours,
don't cheat, and now I gotta come.
No Jamaican men don't cheat.
Jamaican men don't cheat. You know we work hard. We come home to our wife for 56 years.
Maybe it's the Dominicans. Dominicans don't cheat at all.
I never look. My father has never looked at another woman. Yeah, ever,
never. My dad
not even the woman he had another baby by.
I can't even say that shit with a straight face. My pops used to honk at bitches in the street. Terrible. Straight 80s.
Listen,
Mami chula.
I remember my father was like to me, he was like, I'll explain to you when you're a man. And I was like, what? He still hasn't explained to me this day, but he's like, yo, you get it. I'm like, yes, I understand. I understand. No one wants to eat steak every night.
Yeah, you know what I'm saying? Sometimes you want pizza.
Sometimes you want pizza.
A dollar pizza.
You know what I'm saying?
When it comes with a soda.
You know what I'm saying?
Unknown origin.
You want to feel bad after you eat the pizza. That dollar pizza makes you appreciate the steak.
You're like, yo, hold up. I'm lactose intolerant, and this pizza's not fucking me up. Is that saying?
Ain't no milk in it. You know, it's like carpet remnants.
Chill.
But yeah, man.
It's like shark cartilage.
Shout out to all you chicks out there out there scamming with the sundresses.
Scamming.
Got the cheeks on fleek.
Scamming.
You know what I'm saying?
You know what you're doing.
You know what you're doing, Ma. You ain't right.
Oh, the problematic light just went off. Damn.
That is problematic. But you know what you're doing, Ma. Don't talk to me.
I'm not looking at you. I don't care.
You know what I'm saying?
I talk to. Listen, first of all, I'm married, so I don't talk to women at all. Period.
Yes,
unless I'm like ordering food or something.
My big fear, you know this when we walk the street, because the last thing I want to do is be like, "Yo, what's up, Ma?" And then I go back on the internet and there's the wild Jezebel hot take about how Desus street harassed me. He had venom coming off his fangs as he was like, hey, bitch.
That was a microaggression.
There was a micro and a macro aggression. There's a micro, a macro, and a Macklemore aggression.
Macklemore aggression, nigga, it was violence.
But no, you can't street harass chicks. That's not cool.
No. You can't,
even if they got the sundress and the cheeks then sucked in the sundress in the middle, and as they're walking, the cheeks are bouncing separately like Stacey Dash.
Stop saying these things.
Oh, man.
Stop talking like this.
You know what you say to yourself? You say, Ash ain't my sister. Yeah. Say her name. And you keep moving. All right? You get on the train, you mind your business.
That's right.
All right?
Go eat your vegan cookies on the train and listen to fucking Jill Scott.
All right? Because listen, Desus ain't for the misogyny.
That's right. Not at all.
I'm for the misogyny. You know what I'm saying? Massaging them cheeks. I ain't for the misogyny. Whatever. Yo, shout out to everyone that's heard me on. Like, I don't know what happened in the last 48 hours. Mad people keep referencing my Another Round appearance.
Oh.
and then they follow me, and I guess they listen to Bodega Boys, and
It
then
was
they
Hillary
unfollow.
Because Hillary got yeah. Shout out to y'all.
They're like, no,
Niggas
they're
on
like,
Twitter.
whoa.
They're like, whoa. It's like, hey, the Bronx looks really cool, and then somebody drops you off on like 137th Street.
What's up, bitch? So no, you know what I'm saying? Shout out to all our day one people, everyone that's been listening. This is Desus versus Mero. Shout out to people who went to Fool's Gold. What? You real for that?
Yeah, shout out to you.
Shout out to everyone who's been somebody was in the mentions and was like, yo, they listened to all 16 episodes four times.
That's mad a lot.
That's listen.
I'm trying to do that math.
Salute to you, gangster. That's a lot, man. So we're giving you the art. This is
64.
This is like
64.
You know what I'm saying? We're trying to give you all the art you deserve, man.
You deserve it. You deserve the extra.
You're the best fans in the world.
You know what I mean?
Even though you turned my Instagram into all these fucking art emojis. My aunt in England is like, is everything all right over there? Did you steal a painting? I'm like, no, it's my podcast and shit, auntie. I apologize.
Yeah. Shout out to all y'all niggas who rock with us. Yo, you know what I'm saying? We out here smoking weed. This is drinking a large beer. You know what I'm saying?
I am. What time is it?
It's like 10 a.m.
10:42, and I'm drinking a
27-ounce Heineken.
Bex. Actually. Bex. That's how you know
Drink beers, the German ones.
Listen, Bex is real.
Bex is real.
Bex is good. Bex is an older Jamaican man once told me in the bodega. He was like, listen, if you want to flambe that pussy, you need to drink Bex.
That was my pops. That was my pops little what do you call it when you have a drink, like the liquor and then the side drink?
Yeah.
What's that called?
Chaser?
Sidecar? The chaser?
Chaser.
Is it a fancier word for that?
No.
Victor's like, I ain't even gonna fact check that, nigga.
Yeah,
I gotta shape up.
you don't
I'm
fact check
mad
that.
cute and shit. I get my teeth whitened. Yo, but nah, my dad's shit was like a 22 Bex and a little Cavassier and a little snifter.
There you go.
You know what I'm saying?
And
a
then
little
after
grown man
that,
shit.
Then after that, woo!
Yeah, making baby numbers 12, nigga.
Gonna go fund that pussy.
I gotta
kickstart
chill.
that
I
pussy.
can't be making no more kids.
Why
Y'all
Tracy
niggas
gonna
wanna pay
make
me for kids?
No, you're gonna have one more kid.
I'm gonna have one more kid.
Because
But
listen,
you pay me.
you know what? What's wild corny?
I didn't get my money.
You know what's
Yeah.
wild fucking corny? And I see it every day. You love your kids.
Yeah, it's great. Yo, kids are so ill, man.
Yeah. We know kids are so ill. Blah blah blah.
Yo.
Talk about T-ball. Talk about T-ball. Your kids are T-ball.
Yo, shit, that's right. Yo, shout out to you for the fucking, you know what I'm saying, for shout out. Yo, yeah, so my 4-year-old is my oldest child, and he's in T-ball now, and that shit is mad exciting, nigga, because as a Dominican parent, you want to force your children to play sports, namely baseball, so they can get rich and you can get a good return on your investment. Kids are investments, my nigga. You know how niggas buy cars? Yes, they are.
No, they're
Listen
not.
to me right now.
You know they're
Listen
not.
to me right now.
You know what?
All you niggas that buy cars, like, yo, this is a classic car, fuck that. All you niggas that buy jewelry, yo, gold goes up and down, fuck that. Have a kid.
You know what? Kids are
Biggest investment you can make.
Kids are an investment if you are in a relationship. If you're not, they are just a souvenir from the gift shop,
But you gotta
from the museum of failed relationships.
All my niggas, but this, I shout out all my dads. Shout out all my dads that live with their kids. Shout out all my dads that don't
It's
live
not
with their
that
kids.
hard to be a dad.
It's very easy
It's
to be
not that hard to be a dad.
It's hard. It's not
It's
hard.
harder to be a sneakerhead than it is to be a dad.
No way. It's
Yes.
hard to have a. It's not hard to
Have
have
you
a
ever brought
baby.
proxies from
but
Syria?
It's hard to have a dad. I bought a proxy from Syria to get my son a vaccine, nigga. That's a lie that I just made up, but fuck it. It sounds mad.
Nobody wants
noble.
kids, man.
You know what I'm saying? But let me tell you about kids. Kids are a very good investment, my nigga. All you motherfuckers out there investing in other shit, it's a stupid idea. Invest in children. I'm telling you, bro. They're like lottery tickets that are like more. The odds are better for winning. And even if you don't live with your kids, if you're still nice to your kids will still appreciate you. If you LeBron your kids and you just bounce and disappear,
That's so shitty.
think about how LeBron's dad feels. Like a fucking dick. That nigga wakes up every day. He sees LeBron in some way, shape, or form. You can't miss. LeBron is everywhere, fam.
But you know what? You could say that now because LeBron is popping, but think about like all the pussy he got while he was ignoring LeBron as a child.
Yeah.
he probably balancing it out like fuck it. I had a good run.
I had a good run, nigga. I could have had this thing could have been. I could have had 20 pairs of LeBrons. I could have been selling to smoke the finest crack Detroit has to
LeBron's
offer.
ain't that great.
You know what I'm saying?
What's he gonna do? Move to Akron?
Imagine being LeBron's dad and LeBron likes you. Come on, my nigga. You be out there in the jets and the G6 and shit. You could divorce your wife, be getting mad European choach out here doing it. Come on, my nigga. You gotta think ahead. You gotta think bigger picture.
Children are beautiful, but it's getting warm out there. I just think about all the scumbag shit I'm about to do this summer.
Also,
without kids on my ankle.
Can I tell you something?
Getting wild drunk.
Yeah.
Paying that 4.6 Uber surge charge.
When you walk, do two things this weekend. I want you to do two things.
Two things, what?
Drink a lot of beer and go to the mall.
No.
Go to the mall one day.
The mall, like
listen,
the mall. That's not popping.
No, it's not popping. But listen to me. Go to the mall and just walk around, and people will recognize you, obviously, because you're out here in the streets. Go there with a fucking kid, just you and yourself with a kid, and watch what happens. Kids are like puppies, dog.
Other than like the authorities hopping on me, like where'd you pick this random kid up?
Listen, it got to be a believable kid. Don't go there with like a Japanese toddler. It's gonna be quiet for you.
Listen,
I'm telling you, B.
Nah, I'm not ready to have no kids, man.
Listen,
Nope.
but kids gets women's uterus vibrating.
I don't want that.
You know what I'm saying?
I
It's
don't
like,
listen.
oh.
The last thing I want to do is sell women a dream because I'm already selling women a dream. You know what I'm saying?
That you're a stable human being.
Exactly. Exactly. I'm not. If you know me, you know I'm not selling. I'm wild. Listen. Someone called me an egomaniac last night. I am.
So
I have wild. My emotions are wild ranging.
Yeah.
I will go from not caring at all to being like, yo, why didn't you return my text in like 20 minutes?
That's true.
You know what I'm saying?
And as a person who's very monotone emotionally, that's very troubling for me when I come into the office and this nigga's mad grumpy.
Yeah, I'm grumpy. Listen. Listen, you don't understand. To be Jesus is very difficult. To be Jesus, it's like to be Jesus is like you're building a house of cards in a hurricane. It's very difficult.
Yeah.
You know what I'm saying? I wake up. You know
I got
what I'm
3
saying?
emotions, my nigga. I got high, not high, and my kids playing sports.
Yeah.
Those are my 3 emotions.
No, all I got is intense. All I got is intense. I'm either wild dark depressed or like I'm wild fucking shooting these Steph Curry shots from 50 feet out. And you seen it?
I've seen it.
That's why I use the beer and the weed to relax myself, calm myself, keep myself grounded. Either because
10
you know what I'm
toes down.
saying. Like, listen, it gets dark very fast.
Yeah.
I can like in a switch of a hat. I can go to the first 5 minutes of Up. Or like the first 5 minutes of fucking Saving Private Ryan. It's whatever.
Yo,
I don't give a fuck.
shout out the first 5 minutes of man.
That was so sad.
and
That
touching.
you see that and you're like, damn, I should get married. And then you go on Instagram, you see like some girl and her nipples are showing through a mesh shirt, and you're like, well, fuck that. That might be nasty.
I mean, you can still. I mean, that's the thing. Like niggas think, I mean,
No.
yeah.
Nothing you couldn't even say. Look at you.
I'm drinking chilled water, man.
You
I'm living a different life.
We live such different
I'm
lives,
living a different
dog.
life. I'm
live
just
such
cruising.
different life. Like,
You're in here.
but you know the thing is,
you're on the highway switching lanes
I
and
am.
doing all this shit, and I'm in the left lane doing 80, trying not to get caught by cops, but I'm just chilling, smoking the L out the window.
Right.
I'm just like, I'm good.
But I will say
Cruising.
this: Mero does and genuinely loves his life.
Yeah.
Like I catch Mero in the corner, like
yeah, you know what I'm
he
saying?
be looking at pictures of his kids and just cheesing.
Yeah,
that
you
shit's
know.
wild corny.
Oh, man,
but you
you
know
know.
what I'm saying? I respect it. He loves his kids, probably because they look like him.
Yeah.
Whatever.
Oh, yo, that's I've heard that's a biological
to make
thing.
you fuck with the kid.
Yeah, like
That
your
you
kids
look
are
like
born,
your
they
kid.
look like you, so that you'll stick around.
No.
Fortune
well,
doesn't work for most niggas.
There's 3 kids that look like me. There's 3 kids that look like me in Wisconsin. Am I there now? Fuck y'all little niggas.
They got a shout out though.
They got the
For
shout out.
something.
Don't worry, Dad's gonna bring you the French Blue 12s.
That's elevating your brand.
There you go.
By mentioning you.
Wait till we all on Dr. Phil and you talk about how you ignored me, and I was like, I was at Complex.
Well, little Desus here is very upset with you because you ran off on him.
I had to work on a podcast, Dr. Phil.
Well, that doesn't sound like a reason to leave your child.
Dr. Phil, you look racist.
I am.
Oh.
Look at my teeth.
Yeah.
Like the Phil definitely got racist teeth. I think he got a racist mustache.
He got racist teeth number 14.
Yo,
They're
he-
right underneath
Oh,
Rudy
yeah.
Giuliani's
Oh, yeah,
and
you already
above
know.
Liam Nielsen.
Hell yeah. Who got the most racist teeth in the game? I was gonna say Troy Aikman, but
Troy Aikman?
Yeah.
I think, who has the most racist teeth?
there's a lot of
Damn.
racist teeth.
Like even Donald.
He never shows his teeth.
Who, Donald Trump?
You ever notice that?
Yeah.
His mouth is like a butthole, fam. It never
it's tight.
expands. Yeah.
Yeah.
It's like girly mouth all the time. Huge. We're gonna get the best people with butthole lips. Like, yo, your man looks like a straight dick. I've never seen his teeth. But you know why? Because he doesn't want to betray you and show you his racist teeth. Yeah. He wants to buy your vote. You know what I'm saying?
What are we going to do?
Yeah.
What are we going to
Fucking
do with
sack of
America?
nutskin.
I don't want to go to Jamaica. I don't want to go back to Jamaica when he becomes...
Niggas be saying like I'm gonna go back to my home country. Fam,
Nigga,
even if Trump
no.
is president, I think I'm better off. There's no Zika virus here. You know what I'm saying?
You know the thing is, like, I have cousins in Jamaica, but they're not like... I got cousins, but the ones that live in, like, Kingston proper, they, like, in their lives together, they're not going to let me move in.
Oh, no.
My
Your
country
broke
has
family-
cousins?
That's what I'm saying. You
Yeah.
gotta, listen, all my niggas know, if your family's elsewhere, your broke family will take you in no problem.
Yeah.
Your rich family's like, they want to curve you unless you're popping. But you're popping now.
Yeah, but how are we going to do the podcast when I'm living by Black River up in the hills?
Huh?
There's no Wi-Fi signal.
True.
No paved roads and shit.
Well,
I can't go to the studio because at 4 o'clock the wild dogs come and tear apart the village. You think I want to live like that?
yo.
You think I want to wake up early and have to get water from the tank and put it in the tree?
No,
Let
you
that
don't
shit
wanna
get
do
warm
that.
for 6 hours?
No. You want to do that
think-
shit?
You know what I'm saying? You know how bad it's gonna be when I Skype in for the podcast from the outhouse?
Yo, shout out to all my niggas that got the outhouse on deck. You know what I'm saying? All my Caribbean folks. You know what I'm saying? All my Dominican niggas that go to the outhouse and gotta wipe their ass with the phone book. You know what I'm saying? Because
You know what the fucked up shit is? Like my grandparents' house has the outhouse, they got all that shit. You literally go around the corner, motherfuckers got fucking direct TV.
Elevator in the crib like a
They
fucking
got a
smoke.
GPS satellite just chilling over the front.
Gate around the whole crib.
You know what I'm
You
saying?
know what I'm saying? No broken glass gates.
Chilled Zika vaccine on deck.
On deck.
They offer it to you when you come in.
You want
Shit's real.
Zika? what I'm saying?
This is real.
Shout out my niggas out there in the
Speaking of viruses destroying shit, the Knicks might be a talks to get Dwight Howard.
Oh, God.
Ah.
Yo, Dwight Howard, man, he won't survive a month in New York, man.
He won't.
He could go to the Nets and be fine.
Remember
he
I
can't
said
come to the Knicks.
Remember I said I was gonna fight him? I'm like,
You should fight him.
I should fight him, right?
Yeah. I'll take that bet.
Do you think Dwight Howard will wash me?
I mean, the sheer size of him, maybe, but I feel like he can't even take a single punch to the face. I know you can take a punch to the face.
You know what? I feel like all bets are off, and in a new climate of the new New York, shouts to Troy Ave.
Shout out to Troy.
I could just slash his face.
You could definitely just slash.
Would I get in trouble if I slash Dwight Howard's face? Are we getting to a slanderous mode here?
Probably not.
Probably not. He probably like laugh it off like, you got me.
He'd be like, yo, you're so crazy, bro. And do like a joke about it. He probably talks like that too.
Oh, wow,
Yo,
I got ketchup on my hands.
Oh, wow. Got me. What is it? Got him.
Turn into a meme.
Shut up, nigga. Fucking clown cake.
Yo, shout out to the Knicks, yo. Y'all doing terrible now.
Yeah.
So why are we not at the halftime interview? What the fuck?
I understand when Porzingis was dropping 30 points a game for like 60
She
games
was
in a row.
rocking.
She was rocking.
Shit is not rocking now, all right?
no more.
Even Steve Sharippa don't want to be there no more, man,
You know what I'm
nigga.
saying? Now get him out of here.
Get me in there.
Get your boys in there, man.
Come on.
Yo, also, I want to say thank you for bringing up basketball.
Yeah.
Shout out to the Knicks. Kurt Rambis, you're a fucking fool. Start Jerry and Grant. That's all I got to say about that. Your man's
Your
Oscar
man,
Robertson.
Sasha. What's his name?
Vujicic?
He heard he saw your slander last night.
He's like, oh, you want to slander me, cuz? I don't know what I'm doing Albanian voice. Oh, you want to slander me,
Close
cuz?
enough.
I'm going to pull up from 40 feet, nigga. Hold that.
What was he? 6 for 6 for 3?
Yo, he was
Whoa,
out here.
listen, he was out there.
Bangs just swinging.
Was his girl in the crowd?
He
What the
was
fuck?
Sharapova?
He
Who was this girl?
off.
Sharapova?
I don't know.
Yo, Sharapova's on PEDs, fam.
Is that who?
That's
Was
right.
it Sharapova?
Yeah.
Is she?
Sharapova.
You see, that's the thing. Like, we
Hey, you
gotta-
know what? You know who's the only person that didn't turn their back on her?
Who?
Serena.
Yeah.
You know what I'm saying?
Because Serena was flambeing that ass for 10 years. Just couldn't get a win past her.
It's like when you
Yo,
beat a
how
nigga
you
up every day, then you see them getting beat up by somebody else. You're like, yo, chill. No, don't hit my son like that.
Yo,
chill.
how you cheat and still lose? Stop,
Listen,
dog.
no, you gotta
Stop,
chill.
man.
That's when it's time to quit.
Listen.
Time to quit.
And then they're like, she was on drugs performing. That's not drugs.
That's not drugs, my nigga.
Here's a drug, K2.
That's right.
Shout out to the sponsor.
Yo, if you do K2 and then go and you could win Wimbledon.
You could, if you do K2, you are in Wimbledon. Even if you're on the corner on Lennox and 125.
My name is Wimbledon, nigga,
right.
when I was smoking K2.
Just swinging at imaginary tennis balls. Woo! Woo!
Yo, John McEnroe, nigga, we out here.
Just making noises like Maria, what's her name? Maria Hingis.
That's the worst. That's the worst thing about tennis.
Yeah.
It sounds like me brushing my teeth after a night of drinking. And
Or
shit.
like you really beating it up and you go way too far. She's like,
Shout out to y'all.
yeah. Listen, it's the warm weather. I'm making a lot of sexual references on
Yo,
this.
you were really
I'm
out
out
here.
here.
Wow.
I'm out here.
I was
can't
saying,
wait-
I was like, yo, it's mad warm. I might shoot somebody.
Listen, we live different lives. I might shoot up the club. You might shoot somebody. You know what I'm saying? Shout out to everyone on Lipstick Alley.
Yo,
Writing fanfic.
Yo.
You know what I'm saying? About getting Eiffel Towered by the Bodega Boys.
Write this movie about
know what I'm saying?
Something like that.
As I gently use the comb to part your hair, my sister. And I put coconut oil on your scalp.
The scent of sandalwood fills the air.
Rubbing the now liquefied coconut oil over your body. I pay special attention to your stretch marks.
You sound like Ellen Kuja right now. Nigga like,
I touch the special area under your butt that's darker than the rest of your skin.
I touch your tank. Rub guava oil on your calves. Uncle L.
While we make eye contact, I favorite your tweet. We out here,
I just
man.
want to point out that you're wearing a hashtag Stay Woke Black Twitter t-shirt.
Shout out to Jonesin and Twitter. I got this shirt actually from Twitter.
Shout out to Twitter.
When I spoke at Twitter on a panel about niggas who's popping, that's not the name of the panel, but that's what I did. Listen, we out here.
I
Twitter-
tuned into the live stream for a little bit. I was like, oh shit, that Joe Coy nigga is really out here.
Joe Coy?
Remember, like, you know that comedian Joe Coy?
No.
He's like an Asian bald dude. I thought that Josen dude was Joe Coy for a
Joe's
hot
is not
minute.
even Asian.
I know, but I mean, listen.
Were you high?
I was very high. And
Damn.
it was Periscope.
No, it was a good day. Shout
It wasn't
out
high- it wasn't
shout out to
HD.
Miller. Shout out Trace. Shout out everybody.
Shout out the whole gang.
6/5 and all that. Yeah, 5/5.
hey.
We're out here. Listen, bang bang, Twitter gang. You know what I'm saying? We're out here on Twitter. Shout out to Kanye for saving Twitter. Because Twitter was about to end. And
Twitter had only 5 months left, and Kanye
came back and started flaming it. Not usually using Twitter the right way.
Yeah.
Shout out to him for tweeting as Kim K.
Shout out to him for getting Rhymefest and fucking Kai Hai. Is that the
Yeah.
guy's name? I don't
Chai.
care. I'm Chai.
Chai the
I don't care.
Prince.
I'm on my D's and shit. I'm saying niggas' names wrong. I don't care.
Think about
Kai Hai.
delicious. Think about delicious potato.
Okay.
And then think about chives.
Chives. His name is Chives?
Chai, I guess. I don't know.
Chai latte?
I'm gonna get killed.
Nigga named himself out there Tazo?
I'm gonna get killed on KanyeToThe.com.
Oh, whoa.
There's a kid on there. He was like, yo, my name's Desus. I'm the oldest kid on my block. That's his Desus impression.
Oh,
on
my
KTT.
God.
I'm like, all right, well, that's cool.
Wow.
Yeah, we catch you in the streets, motherfucker.
Yeah, that's right. I love it.
I love it.
I love it. I can't wait.
I just hired a new security guard, all right? When I let my man Grukudius from Albania touch you on your soft spot, we'll see how you feel.
Yo, I'm going to tell you this right now. Ramik only got one eye, but he can shoot. You know what I'm saying? That nigga has very good aim for somebody with no depth perception.
I'm going to have all female.
We gotta believe that nigga's name.
Yo, shout out to International Women's Month.
Uh-huh.
All right? Shout out to all you broads out there.
Uh-huh.
You know what I'm saying?
Oh, yeah, that's right.
Thing.
Oh, yes. I was with that. It's a real thing.
It is a real thing.
Yeah.
We've been doing this since like 87 or something like that.
Yeah.
So all you women out there, you
Reagan, did Reagan start it? Nancy Reagan?
Nancy Reagan. Rest in peace.
R.I.P.
Rest in peace. Watch out, little bitch.
Yeah.
To Nancy Reagan.
Dabbing in the afterlife.
Damn. They're trying to get Obama out the paint because they was like, yo.
But can I tell you something? Because motherfuckers never want to hear facts. Never in
facts
the history, facts don't matter.
Facts don't matter.
But let me just slide this in because niggas always slander my nigga Obama.
Right.
You know what I'm saying? Not knowing that after Obama, there's going to be a dearth of swag in the White House for years and years and years.
Okay.
You know what I'm saying?
All right.
Let me tell you something. Never in the history of the United States has a president attended a previous first lady's funeral. The first lady attends the first lady's funeral. That's how niggas do it. That's how the white slavery niggas invented it, and that's how they've been doing it for years.
That seems a little sexist.
It seems it's very sexist. It's very problematic, but that's a tradition. So don't try to switch up shit from my nigga Barry. You know what I'm saying? Like my son Cook.
I mean, here's the whole thing. Like, is Nancy Reagan gonna know Obama didn't show up?
No, probably not.
Nancy Reagan's not gonna have a swagful funeral.
No, she's not. It's gonna be whack.
You know what I'm saying?
And he's going to South by. Niggas can go see Wiz Khalifa live.
You know what I'm
get
saying?
past the L. Then go hit the barbecue truck.
Mushrooms and shit.
You know what I'm saying? Hit the taco truck 2 a.m. Lit. You know what I'm saying? Michelle's not there. Sasha and Malia ain't there.
You know what I'm saying? Like, maybe he booked his tickets in advance, and now she wants to be disrespectful and go die.
And go die and right in the middle. I got plans. You gonna die? I got plans?
There's nothing worse than that.
Come on, my nigga. You better not die when it's like my 20th anniversary and I got plans to go to Dubai or some shit.
Nah. But why then we won't be talking anymore.
Oh, that's true.
So
yeah, probably.
that's
true. Yeah.
that's there.
Yeah. Niggas will be writing books.
Yeah, about each other.
Tell old books.
We're gonna be like Jay-Z and Dave Dash. It's gonna be me and my robot wife. Just curving you. People would be like, why didn't Desus go to Mero's 10th child's bar mitzvah? What's going on? Do they not talk anymore? And then it's going to be like a picture of us doing like the wild, awkward handshake.
You just said Jay and Dame, and in my head I'm like, no. It has to be like Jay and Kanye because Dame's L's are insurmountable at this point.
You're going to be at a radio station, you're going to lose a tooth.
No.
Right?
Why I got to be Dame? You more likely to be Dame, nigga. I got somebody watching over me, nigga.
You got someone
Beyonce watching over me.
How does that Beyonce? All right? Think about it because Jay-Z was just the wild scumbag out there.
Exactly. And then Beyonce got him on the straight and narrow.
Like,
that's exactly what happened to me.
No, remember, Dame Dash was married to Shorty. And he had the clothing line.
Yeah, she was wild and stuff. Yeah, but she was like cool.
He had
she was
America
like,
magazine. And Jay-Z was just out there. He made the fucking
she was really out here trying to be out
version of Hey Poppy, which if you find the MP3 ripped by RNS, I ripped that.
Oh,
check the ID3 credits, nigga. Okay. RNS, Rabid New Verso. We run this shit.
Oh.
All right. Anyway, and Jay-Z was on there talking about.
Niggas shouted out a ripping gang.
A ripping gang. All right. Shout out to Fairlight, niggas. And no, Jay-Z was like, yo, I need a woman that could blow weed and practice Tai Chi and give me some good head and remind me. Yeah. And I heard that. I was like, wow. And then he met Beyonce at low key. I worked at Rockefeller. Remember, Beyonce and Jay were going for a while, and people don't want to talk about it. Yeah. Beyonce had a song with Emil. There's no fucking reason Emil should have been on the same studio as Beyonce.
Yo,
you know what I'm saying? So they've been going for a minute.
Remember, Emil's like key food. Remember that?
Listen, Emil might run up on you, so you watch him out. The SEPTA only costs but so much to come to New York.
This is about 70 degrees. That means that thing is on me.
She's gonna run up on you like she's gonna run up on you like Cat Williams.
Oh shit!
Yo, what's going on with Cat Williams?
Yo, he's out here.
Should we even talk about? I feel like he might run up on us.
He might run up on us, but it's all good. Niggas is always ready for the fair one.
Oh, true. Not even a fair one.
Straight getting jumped.
I'll give you a dirty ass Bronx fight.
Yo, come on. If you niggas see two of us and you try to fight these, I'm jumping you, my nigga, and vice versa. Like niggas are getting jumped. Even Victor's jumping in.
Listen,
Victor's gonna soccer kick you in the head.
Yo, ask Amber Rose and Black China what time it is. You know what I'm saying? They almost caught the hands.
Yo, you know what I'm saying?
Imagine we beat up Amber Rose and Black China. They definitely get us out the paint.
Oh, they get us so out the paint.
Just a video of you just like duffing Black China in the head.
Like mad ruthlessly. Yo, you know what's crazy? It does not matter the information surrounding the altercation doesn't matter, man. Because remember when shorties jumped over the counter at McDonald's?
Yep.
And homie went in on them with the pipe, and everybody's like, "Oh my god, how could he do that?" When shorty was like spitting in his face and being like, "Yo, you motherfucker, this that," and jumped over the counter
and got rock lullaby.
You know what I'm saying?
Listen,
my nigga, if you jump over at something to get at me.
Listen, anything happens.
All bets are off.
As Wycliffe could say, what, say what, say what, say what?
Yo,
anything could happen.
Anything can happen, nigga.
The carnival. Shout out to Wycliffe. Shout out to everyone that sent money to Yalele or whatever.
Oh my god.
And Wycliffe spent it on the Ducati and baby oil.
Yo, my Haitian brothers and sisters, how you letting this nigga cook?
He's not your friend.
He's not
he
your
is not your friend.
No.
He is not your friend.
No. My man's stole mad money, dog.
Did.
That's like Romeo Santos.
Allegedly.
Stealing mad dengue vaccine money.
Here's what we got to realize, because this podcast, apparently in Trump's America, you can't just say whatever. So we have to, everything we say
allegedly.
on this show is satire.
Oh, yeah.
Allegedly.
Let me tell you niggas something.
You know what I'm saying? When I say things like Stevie Wonder isn't really blind, that's satire.
It's satire.
That's also fact.
Also, you gotta when you listen to the show, you gotta go back to like your 7th grade math class where your math teacher was like, when you're doing exponents, you know what I'm saying? And the 1 is just assumed. Yeah. The allegedly is just assumed. You know what I'm saying? Just all the time. All the time is always
assume
there.
The allegedly.
Just assume it.
All the time.
All there, nigga. It's always there.
When Mero talks about his kids, allegedly. He might not have kids.
You know what I'm saying? I might not even have no kids at all.
What if Mero,
I might have just kidnapped some white kids and you niggas is just loving it.
What if Mero is lying about all this and all his kids?
What if my life is a lie?
They're CGI. What if they're CGI? They're CGI.
What if they're holograms? And you niggas don't got access to that technology. You know what I'm saying?
Why would you have hologram technology in the Bronx? That seems like a waste.
That's such a waste.
That's such a waste.
What would you use a hologram for in the Bronx?
I'd make like a fake chopped cheese and like rob people. I don't know.
I'll make a hologram gun, yo, and then get shot by a nigga with a real gun?
Wait, actually, I'd use the hologram to make affordable housing, and then when white people come in to gentrify the Bronx, I'd be like, no, my friend, you gotta get your own.
That's right.
Nah, that doesn't work. That doesn't work. Shout out to white people.
Speaking of hologram,
we gonna get that Whole Foods some way.
But nigga, let me take you back. TBT.
Whoa.
Throwback Thursday when we did the J-Lo shit.
Yes.
And they had the fake bodegas.
Yes.
They had giant
They were
printouts.
inflatable printouts of bodegas. It was like a fake street.
Speaking of holograms in the Bronx, that's the hologram technology we get. Bodega
Do you realize
cutouts.
like if J-Lo had if that J-Lo concert at Orchard Beach happened right now, we'd have to be on stage? This is J-Lo. You can't do no shit in the Bronx without this.
You gotta have us host it.
Listen, that's
not a threat. That's not a threat. That's a gentle reminder. Asking for the invite.
You know.
This is my formal invite.
Listen, it's French, Remy.
That's right.
J-Lo.
And us.
Kid Mero.
Yeah.
Desus.
That's it.
And my girl Maxine Ashley, she got Lobster on Deck. That's her new song.
Right.
She was from the Fader. You know what I'm saying? Her shit is popping. She represented the BX.
BX all day.
I said I definitely shout out. That's the homie.
That's right. Speaking of shout out to King of the Rolex.
King of the Rolex? What is that?
Out here.
Listen, are we just shouting out random people in the Bronx? Fuck it. Why not? Shout out to people in Oregon listening to this. Like, yo, shout out to these people in the Bronx that I'm never going to meet. Please don't come to New York and be like, yo, I want to go to the Bronx. That's not safe.
That's not safe at all. You know what?
This summer, we are going to start a TMZ double-decker bus tour through the Bronx. We'll take you to Creston. Yep. We'll take you to East Tremont. Take you to Mitchell houses.
And shit, all that.
You will buy like a hot bag of heroin. Do not smoke it.
Yep.
Bring it back to your house.
Shoot you and take you to Lincoln.
Just go. You know what I'm saying? No, shoot you and take you to Our Lady of Mercy.
Oh.
We're Montefiore. Where Montefiore will say we are not level 1 trauma center.
Oh.
And now we have to hop on the double decker.
That's right.
And go on the Bronx River and go to Jacoby. And you lost mad blood. But you know what? You get a cool story for Instagram.
Super cool story.
Hopefully you can still walk.
Yeah.
After we remove the slug.
Nah, you be all right.
You be all right.
I walk with a limp, but I'm all right.
You know what I'm saying? You smoke a little weed. Ended at Sosa Con Fuego.
Sosa Con Fuego. Don Coquille.
You know what I'm saying?
We'll take your OT to fucking New Rochelle.
Oh, wow. Bring your passport. We're going to White Plains.
Bronx niggas think New Rochelle is like out of town.
But New Rochelle is Canada. All right? I don't care what people say. Like you can feel the air pressure and the altitude changing as you're going up to fucking New England.
Let me tell you something. New York City got the reclining leathers. Recliners in the theater.
Life.
It's a different life out there.
That's it. When you live in the Bronx, that's all you want. You just want to experience a different life.
Shout out to Ravy B. She posted a picture of City Island yesterday.
Woo.
And City Island was lit.
Woo. It's about to be. It's City Island weather. Yo, shout out to Kevin from KFC Barstool, who grew up on City Island.
And escaped just in time.
Who I know says the N-word, all right? Because you guys were beefing about us on the bridge.
That's right.
I know you said moolie a couple times trying to get home.
Fucking guys.
These fucking moolies. What the fuck with this? That's fucking lobster. It's not even from City Island.
Nigga KFC come out on his porch and be like, these fucking guys.
These fucking guys.
I was just trying to fish.
It's not even fucking Mother's Day. What's going on?
I was just trying to play two-hand touch on the Ave.
They're not even valet parking.
Shout out to the Barstool gang.
Yo, Stevie, Jay, look at this over here. Come on, They put it right in my driveway.
Stevie J. Imagine it wasn't Stevie and J. It was actually Stevie J.
J.
He's just like, man, I don't like this. But hey, it's a lot of hoes out there.
Yo. Nah, bring your girl to listen.
I got the Henny Coladas on deck.
Listen.
Henny Coladas is a very rare cocktail.
Listen, people don't know I'm the king of Henny Coladas.
Yeah.
Let me come to your party and make the Henny Coladas.
Those shits will sneak up on you, man.
Those shits will sneak up on you.
Drink 2 of those, I dare you.
Like child support or Sally Mae.
That's right.
You know what I'm saying? Responsibilities.
Shout out to that
or
bitch
children.
Sally Mae.
Sally Mae.
Ruining niggas' lives.
How come there's no strippers called Sally Mae?
Because the niggas wouldn't tip them. Niggas just be avoiding them.
True.
He'd be curving them. Sally Mae be the only stripper like, yo, I'll suck your dick. And niggas are like, nah,
I'm good.
Nah, I'm good.
I'm good.
What's the interest rate on that?
Nah.
I'm straight.
I'm good. Come on, it's low. It's fixed.
Nah.
It's a fixed.
It's a fixed thing. We're fucking Sally Mae. Sally Mae's ruining lives.
Is she?
Yeah. My wife graduated college in 2005 and still owes money.
Really?
For undergrad.
You know what? If she wasn't fucking with you, she'd be able to pay it off.
I mean, well, she's going to be able to pay it off because she's fucking with me.
Oh, is the brand strong? Is the brand strong like that?
Nigga, the brand is fucking Hulk smash right now. You niggas already know what it is.
Okay, all right.
Niggas could drop merch that's just me standing on the corner and you're like, yo, we got t-shirts and it's just me writing Bodega Boys on a V-neck and we sell them just for $150 a pop. Talk to me.
We might do that.
You know what I'm saying?
We're about to come out with merch,
shop.
but it's gonna be like some fucking The Life of Pablo, wild, esoteric,
It's all crazy.
merch. Nothing, no
What is
$30. We're gonna like a $200 customized T-shirt.
That's it. A $700,000 customized aloe plant.
And for all my
You know
ladies
what I'm
out
saying?
there, I got the kente cloth,
You know what I mean?
crotchless panties.
That's right.
You know what I'm saying? Cute. The
Ready.
ones that they kind of pull the lips apart.
Uh-huh.
This shit's gonna be lit.
Woo.
Listen, I'm coming out with a line of designer thoughtwear.
That's gonna be lit. That's gonna be lit.
And it's gonna, you know what the
It's
best
like
part,
Carlos
ladies?
Santana with the shoes.
What's the best part, ladies? When you order it, it's not gonna look anything like how it looked
Not
on
at
Instagram.
all.
It's gonna look like a baggy fucking saran wrap bag. You're gonna be like, Jesus, what the fuck?
What the fuck is this?
I'm supposed to look like a mermaid.
Shout out to all my shorties out there ordering Instagram couture, nigga.
Yeah,
And then
listen.
they throw that shit on and it does not look as promised.
You have to try. Listen, guys can go in stores and buy shit and not try it on. Women, you can't do that.
Yeah, man.
You know what I'm saying? So when
y'all got a lot of
you know what I'm saying?
extra parts and shit.
when you
know what I mean?
buy an Instagram dress from a girl with a cute Instagram name and her hips are crazy,
That's right.
and the dress makes you look like a falafel, you know
Yeah.
what I'm saying? Not our fault.
Not us. Listen.
You should know. Buyer beware.
Try
As,
buyer beware.
as they say in Latin, buyer fucking beware.
That's
You know what I'm saying? Let's
Go try that shit on. You know what I'm saying, Ma? You got your body's a wonderland. You know what I'm saying?
body's a
You gotta-
wonderland.
everyone is
Embrace all your
different.
curves.
Embrace all your curves.
You know what I'm saying?
And try your clothes on first.
Shout out to all my ladies. Shout out to all my ladies that have babies and now you got the wrinkly stomach.
Oh, I love that.
I love that.
The little mashed potato stomach.
You got the Starburst stomach.
Yo,
Star,
shout out to- yo-
Star Crunch stomach. I like that.
Shout out to all my shorties that still got their belly button.
Yeah.
They not on the lipo wave and they still got their original belly
And
button.
they're not moving into Photoshop? No, embrace your flaws because you can't. That's your body.
You know what I'm saying?
You can't do anything about it, man.
You know what I'm saying?
Don't,
I mean,
like,
you could do something about it.
You could, but would you rather just like you could do surgery, but the surgery is never gonna like you're never gonna look in the mirror and be like, yo, that's me. Like that's surgery. If you can just embrace yourself and be like, yo, you know, I got the little jibble under the neck.
Hey.
You know what I'm saying? Got the little
the jowls?
little thunder thighs or whatever. Got the little
Listen, grown niggas appreciate that.
grown niggas appreciate that.
You know what I mean?
I like a good roadmap on a thigh. You know what I'm saying? You know what I'm saying? I like when your fucking leg looks like the Barclays Center train station.
Oh.
You know what I'm saying? I could transfer to the L over here. You know, we're just out here, man.
Yo, you know what's crazy?
Actually, excuse me.
What?
The L does not run at Barclays Center. Let me clear that up.
Oh, does it?
I don't think it does. But because
Who's
we
going
have
to Barclays Center?
No, you know what the thing is? Because
Why you go to
I
Barclays Center?
have to correct something. Last episode.
Correct it.
When I was talking about scamming.
Oh,
I said that
Messy
shout out to
bitch.
everyone that's like stealing $200,000 worth of MAC lipstick from Sephora.
Uh-huh.
And I
They
was
don't
told-
sell MAC at
They
Sephora.
don't sell MAC at
Actually,
Sephora.
actually, all
And
the
I should know
MUAs,
that.
all the
And one of
MUAs.
my exes I used to go to Sephora with was like, you should know better than that. So shout out to you, boop.
Yeah.
You know what I'm saying? You're married now. You really shouldn't be reaching out to me. But you know what I'm saying? I corrected that for you. So
Man.
there you go.
Man.
I live a wild life.
You live a wild life. But
wild
yo,
life.
you know what I'm saying? Niggas make mistakes.
And you know what? Doesn't matter because what? God's working on all of us.
yeah.
All of us.
You know the motto?
Even you.
That's right.
You know what I'm saying?
You listening right now.
You listening
Yeah,
right
you.
now, Ma. You who have that trip to Miami planned this weekend, and you know what? You think you might be pregnant because of Conor broke, but you're like, you know what? I don't want to fuck up my drinking.
I'm out here.
So I will take this pregnancy test on
I'm
Monday.
out here. I
You're
don't
out
care that I
You
gotta
know
sleep
what
in a
I'm
bathtub.
You know what I'm saying?
And I don't really fuck with you saying it like that. And she be talking
cool.
crazy Spanish bitch, stupid Spanish bitch.
That's cool.
Yo, shout out to all bitches.
Shout out to
And,
you guys on Twitter.
And
you know
niggas
what I'm
do
saying?
too. No. Listen, I want niggas to understand. I feel like we always say this, but you gotta understand. Niggas is thoughts too. So like, there's niggas that do the same shit. Like,
Oh,
there's
yeah.
niggas that's like 10 niggas going to one hotel room.
Shout out to my dude
You know what I'm
right
saying?
now on Twitter. You posting, you like, good morning, boo, with the wild kissy face emoji.
Yep.
And then out of nowhere at 1:13 p.m., fucking Yolanda Hart OVO on Twitter is like, yo, did you also say good morning to your wife?
Whoa!
And she got a picture of you with your 4 kids at Target, very happy. And she just throws you under the bus, and the timeline's like, I didn't know he was married.
Oh, you messy. That's okay.
Oh, Big Sexy Julius is married? And then they start showing the DMs where you was telling chicks you want to eat their butt and you gonna fly them out.
You niggas are so messy.
But you know what? Fuck it.
You
And you know what? You just
I'm so
sweet.
glad I'm not gonna say I'm an old nigga, but I'm
No,
old enough.
you're still the kid.
Yeah, I'm still a kid.
Still the kid.
I feel like I'm glad that I'm from that generation where I'm like, I'm still slightly paranoid about the internet.
Yeah.
You know what I'm saying? So I'm not jumping in with both feet.
Yeah.
Niggas was jumping there sending dick
You gotta
pics
go.
and
You
just
gotta go,
wilding, just doing a backflip into the DMs.
You gotta have mad dick pics out there. Because if just one
crazy,
person
though,
has
dog.
your dick pic, this is like they have a lot of power over you. But if you just throwing it, out there on fucking Kazaa, just letting anyone download it,
I mean,
you're out there.
That's kind of wild.
I got my dick pic on Tidal.
You got your
So,
dick pic?
you know what I'm saying?
Exclusive? Title exclusive?
Listen, I'm using
Tidal Hi-Fi?
I'm using a lossless format. Okay, so you can see all the details.
Don't want you to lose any of the pubes.
All of that. You pay your $19.99 a month. And you enjoy it.
Dick pics are so ill. I'm very proud of my dick, though. You know what I'm
Yeah.
saying? But I'm like, I don't want to have a session with my dick where we're just like, okay, cool. Give me a little pout. Great. Just give me big energy. Just give me big energy.
I mean,
you know what I'm saying?
I don't want to brag, but the new forward-facing camera on the Samsung 7 Edge is
very flattering.
It's very flattering with the cockpits. All right. I could do that. I could do the HDR Black Twitter dirty nigga filter.
No.
I could do the Victorian fucking Grey Garden
Niggas
filter.
like, no.
I got it on deck.
Look at through Nashville on the dick pic.
Yo,
Chill.
I did the very tasteful black and white Stormy Normandy film. You know what I'm saying? It made it look like it was your grandpa's dick pic.
Yo, speaking of dick pics and paranoia,
Yeah.
my wife was like, "Oh, look at this! It's so cute. I got all 3 kids in the bathtub at the same time." And she sent me a video, and then like, you know how when you're just posting pictures on Twitter or whatever, and like it just has like your recent whatever.
Yeah.
I almost posted a picture of all 3 of my kids in the bathtub
With their dicks out?
With their dicks out.
Damn.
I was like, "Wow, dog!" I was
Wow.
like, I dodged that bullet. I was like, "Let me delete this shit right away."
Woo.
And then when
Do you
know what's
understand
crazy?
how hard Jared just punched the wall
Yeah.
himself?
He's like, "Fuck, man, I missed it."
Little Platinos. Oh man.
Man.
Oh man.
You know what's crazy? Yo, you know what's crazy? As a dad, you take your kids to get portraits,
Right.
Like, the JCPenney series
Yeah.
joints. Niggas will not take a picture of your kids in like a diaper after like 6 months because that's child pornography. Or like if they're like,
That's
"Yo, I
not
want to take
child
a
pornography.
picture in like the kid wearing like implied nudity." You know, do like the little cute fake bathtub picture with
True,
the things and whatever.
true.
You can't do that no more.
Well, you know what? That's what you people need to do. Stop using your kids as memes. We don't want to see your kids all the time.
I
on
mean,
on Twitter.
but it is.
You know what it is? Because
but
you're
you know-
parents and you're like, yo, my kids are adorable and they're beautiful. And
Right.
like, well,
I mean, to be fair, my kids are adorable and beautiful, but like, I mean, listen,
I don't know.
Listen, no, my kids are gorgeous.
I don't know.
My kids are gorgeous. I'm. It's crazy that
listen,
I'm not exploiting my
no,
children and having a model.
You
know what I'm
can't.
saying?
Listen.
And I'm not even biased.
You
because I will
bought
admit,
airline tickets with a no refund policy, so you can't be like, yo, my kids are ugly.
but I'm the type of nigga that will say that. And
No,
I'm
you
also,
would not
and also
be like
I'm very
that. Your kids
intoxicated.
listen, your
and
kids
also,
is not like, listen.
but you can't say shit that's not true. You know what I'm saying? I mean,
Yes, you can.
Donald Trump
We
does it
do
all the
that
time.
every day.
You know what I'm saying?
We do
But you
that
can't-
every episode
but you
of
can't-
this.
Like, I can't say shit that's not true and then not laugh. You know what I'm saying? Like, I have a
No.
tell.
Your kids
you know what I'm
lie.
saying? My kids are gorgeous.
Scale of
man.
1 to 10.
A
Your
scale of 1 to
kids.
10? Probably say like a strong like 11.5.
Wow.
You know what I'm saying? Just
Wow.
because, but listen, it's not even just me being biased, dog. It's
No,
just
that- no, it's literally just that.
It's like the bone structure is beautiful.
No.
Like they're just gorgeous children, dog, and they're
I
very.
don't want to be this guy.
they're just
But if
beautiful.
I kidnap your kids and took them to Thailand, I'm not getting that much money.
You're getting a ton of money.
I'm
for my
not
kids
getting
in
that much
Thailand.
money.
So much money for my kids.
Like,
in Thailand.
you know, like some old guy's gonna lift their
you can retire.
Some old guy's gonna lift their foreskin.
You can take
like, yo,
one of
what
my
is-
kids
What is these?
and then fucking
What
and
is-
retire.
These aren't even dead stock.
But you know what? Thailand is not a good fucking market.
Thailand's where
Because-
you go if you're selling children.
No.
Allegedly.
Allegedly. But also, niggas in Thailand fuck orangutans. Let me tell you something. There's a
Whoa.
shaved orangutan. There's a shaved orangutan that people pay to fuck in Thailand. True story. Google it. I dare you.
No, I'm not Googling that.
Google it.
I'm not Googling
Well, you
that.
Google worse.
I'm
You've
Googling
Googled
worse.
worse.
I have.
You've Googled way
I
worse.
have.
At work.
At work. I don't give a fuck.
Like, come on. But yo, there's niggas will fuck orangutans in Thailand. So it's like, that's not a good market.
So basically what you're saying is your kids are more beautiful than an orangutan?
my kids are more beautiful than
They're more sexually
any other child on
attractive.
earth.
What?
because you can't put sexuality on children because that's how you get into Jared territory. My kids are just beautiful. You know what I'm saying? Like how a beautiful flower is beautiful. I don't want to fuck that rose bush. It's just a very nice rose bush. It's been trimmed. It's been very well kept. You know what I'm saying? Obviously, its owner loves it. You know what I'm saying? So that's what it is. My kids are beautiful because they're loved and they're very well kept. You know what I'm saying? That's what it is.
One of your kids threw a jack-o'-lantern at me like a month after Halloween.
Yeah.
All right? So let's stop right now, all right? Let us stop. Right?
You know what I'm saying? I didn't say they were super well behaved.
Speaking of badly behaved children, Azealia Banks quit her Twitter.
She quit Twitter?
She quit Twitter.
She'll be back.
She will be back.
They'll always be back.
She got 30 days.
They'll always be
She got
back.
30 days, like the same way after you're arrested, and they have to return an indictment.
How long has it been?
It's been like 4 days or something like that.
Mero Damas is calling right now. Day
I feel
18,
bad.
she's coming
I
back.
feel bad because she just got her titties done.
She did that titties?
You know what I'm saying?
And she loves those shits.
She loves her titties.
She loves them.
She loves her titties.
I have never seen a bitch. She probably spent so much money in pasties right after that.
Yeah.
Because she was just walking around in pasties, nigga. She's like fucking Target in
What was
pasties.
she doing? Like, why would she? Like, she be wilding on Twitter.
She's out here.
Yeah.
She don't care, nigga. That's what happens when you make a decent amount of money.
Yeah.
In entertainment, and a lot of your fan base is in Europe, where niggas don't really understand. What the fuck you're talking about.
I feel like she might be my soulmate, and it scares me.
Also, that.
Yeah.
You know what I'm saying?
Because she seems like my karmic debt for everything I've done bad to women.
True.
So
that's true.
Oh man,
that's gonna suck. So I'm kind of. I don't want to uninvite you for my kid's bar mitzvah, but.
You don't want me to bring her?
Nah.
Yeah,
bring Rihanna or something. Yeah.
Rihanna don't answer my DMs.
Bring a Jewish bitch. Who's a poppin' Jew for you to bring to your kids' bar mitzvah?
Mary Ari Ben. She'll come with her violin.
Mary Ben.
Mary Ben Ari.
She doesn't speak. She just plays a violin.
No, Rihanna doesn't want to answer people's DMs. Also, because she doesn't follow me.
Come on, man.
But whatever. She needs to grow up.
Come on.
I got a Samsung too.
Yo, Samsung.
That's half the battle.
Y'all niggas both on the West Indian flow.
There you go.
Get the Puma sponsorship.
Right.
She already got the Puma sponsorship. You get on
I
there.
don't need that. I get like a Brooks sponsor. I don't know.
Nigga said Brooks. Is Brooks big in the Jamaican community?
It is. The same with Patrick Ewing. No, I gotta do some wild shit in order to get Rihanna's eye. I have to like save a baby or some shit.
You gotta run on stage at an award show, my nigga, and we're gonna do that.
You know what's
next award show we go into, we rush on the stage. I don't give a fuck. And you gotta grab the mic and be like, "Yo, Rihanna, I'm professing my love for you. I love you. I love you.
I fucking love you."
Come home.
But she's Caribbean. I can't be like, "I love you." I gotta grab her by the neck, like, "Come on."
Yeah, fuck.
It's a move your mother skunt. Oh man. Yeah.
You know what I'm saying?
I saw the work video. I was like, all right, that's cool. Not enough galvanized steel roofs and ladders on there.
Not at all.
Because if you think Drake was flambeing that pussy, let me get in there.
No,
let me drink a little rabbit foot tonic. I drink a little pepper pot soup. Let me show you what I got.
Pepper pot soup.
All right. Y'all don't know about cow cod soup. Do you guys know what cow cod soup is?
Cow cod?
Cow cod. Cow cod soup, aka Manish water. There you go. Yes, it's the dick of a cow. Wait, is it a dick of a bull or something? I don't know.
A bull dick?
But yeah, you drink it and it gives you mad stamina.
That's crazy.
It gives you mad stamina.
I heard tiger bone.
Ideally when you have sex as a Jamaican, you're trying to destroy the person you're having sex with.
Yeah, right.
You're not trying to have them have.
You're trying to add up. You're trying to vaporize them.
You want them to die.
Yeah.
You want them to die by dick.
Right.
You know what I'm saying? Weirdo. Hot sex. And as the woman, you're trying to destroy them with your teeth that has vagina
dentata.
There you go. Okay. My man, right there. Listen, we're right here, man.
Throw it off the glass.
We're right there.
You know what I'm saying?
You know what I'm saying? So that's what it is. So that's what you get. And at the end, you know, say you both lie there on the bed like, and you might throw her a towel, and she's like, "Oh, don't throw me a towel, you a faggot." And you're like, whatever. But that's love.
And then you both get up and go to your job at Home Depot.
And you go back to your respective wives. There you go. And then you finish packing the barrel.
Shout out to my niggas on the barrels. That's a very real thing. People love that, the barrel thing.
What's a barrel? We're opening a barrel shipping company.
Yeah, we gotta do it.
Also, when I say I ship a barrel,
You know what we mean.
you know what I mean. Ship a barrel direct to your pum pum. To your pum pum.
Mommy chula.
You know what's funny? Pum pum's a dirty word, but that's what my mother used to say to my sisters and shit. They'd be like, "Yo, we got time to clean your pum pum."
That's weird. Yeah.
It's like it's been sexualized, but it's not. Yeah. So when I hear it, I'm like, "Oh, that's." I thought that was the actual term for vagina, and then one day my mother was like, "No, vagina is called vagina."
Yeah.
You know, say when you hear pum pum, you're in a dance hall. Yeah, the dance
Downtown
hall.
Queen.
Yeah, with Lady Saw.
Lady Saw, shout out to Lady Saw.
Shout out to Lady Saw.
she
Lady
on it?
Saw, listen, Google Lady Saw. Lady Saw got the rough face.
Yeah.
But you know that choach is fire, dog.
Yo, it's like
She got that-
It's like Fifita La Grande.
She got that curry goat, dog.
Yeah.
She got
yo,
no
them
bones, man.
them old island women, man.
Old island women?
Yeah, man.
They got the duppy.
Yeah. Niggas know about
Listen,
that.
you fuck around with that. You wake up in the morning and see a ghost above you, like, ah!
Telling you niggas.
Yeah.
Yo, Google that.
Google that.
Dominican version. Google Lady Saw and then Google
Who's the
Fifita La Grande.
sexiest? Who?
Fifita La Grande.
Who is that?
She's like 90,000 years old, fam.
Yeah.
And she still gets her hair done like she's 20.
Wow.
And she got a fake butt.
What
and probably
about
got fake titties.
Celia Cruz? She's not around anymore, but she's
definitely
still got it, right?
That shit was probably popping.
Yeah.
Her shit had Asuka.
Yeah. Ah. You heard that shit when she
Bum,
queefed.
ba-dum, bum, 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 ba-dum, bum, bum, ba-dum, bum, bum.
Oh,
What, nigga?
man.
When you just start hearing that shit, when you start hearing bum, ba-dum, bum, 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 you're like, oh shit, what?
Oh, shit.
Dun, 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 dun. Nigga start hitting the bachata guitar when you in the church, nigga?
You gotta
Oh
do
my
a
God. You lose
little side-to-side shift active. That's how you hit the spots, man.
Yeah.
That's how you hit the spots. Listen,
Yeah.
we're giving you a lot of... It's warm weather.
Yeah.
Shout out to Future for making March Madness.
Yeah.
And we are giving you a little March
Yeah,
Madness.
you know what I'm saying?
How to keep it sasson
That's right.
in the bedroom. A little,
You know
you know what I'm saying?
Dress it up and go to Red Bull, nigga. 220 West 18th Street.
Here's a hint from Jesus. Put a little Scotch bonnet on your dick.
Yo, I dare you.
Beat it up that way.
Yo,
Put a little ghost pepper on your foreskin.
yo, somebody, you know what's crazy? A lot of white people listen to this, and some white guy's gonna do that.
Listen.
And then be like, dude, Desus challenge, hashtag Desus challenge. And that's gonna be the Desus challenge.
Just electric guitar in the back.
Desus challenge with Scotch bonnet pepper on your dick.
Shout out to all my white people that listen to this. Yo, shout out to Shorty that was like, yo, the Keeping Up Appearances reference. Yo. Hyacinth Bouquet, we're out
Dog,
here.
I had to deeply Google that.
You didn't know that? You don't know about Sheridan?
I don't know about
that?
I don't know about the
Oh,
UK.
man.
Nigga, I don't know
You
about
know
the
about that?
UK.
Keeping Up Appearances. Shout out to Hyacinth Bouquet, just overbearing. That's what I think marriage is like. So watch that show. And I'm like, oh,
God.
wow.
Chill.
Nagging.
You got bad. What I'm trying to think of, like, what is a good? Because we already talked about Steph Curry and Ayesha. Like, what's a good
An example of
model?
good marriage?
Yeah, I always say like Whitney and Bobby.
No.
You know what I'm saying? Even though Whitney died, but yo, they
Even
were
though
all,
Whitney died.
You know what I'm saying?
Even though Whitney died.
Yo, but them motherfuckers loved each other.
They did love
fam.
each other, but that's what we talked
They
about.
loved
Crack,
each other.
Crack, corny, or whatever. Like
They loved each other.
I really think Jay-Z and Beyonce, I feel like they probably have a good relationship. You know what I'm saying? I feel like they probably have stuff in common they talk about.
Yeah.
You know what I'm saying? I don't feel like Jay-Z's walking in and Beyonce's doing the fucking New York Times crossword puzzle. You know what I'm saying? I don't feel like that's happening.
No.
But I feel like, Beyonce could come in there and be like, Jay, the light in the fridge is still coming on. And he's like, it does it automatically. And she's like, wow.
Yeah.
You know,
yo,
that
shit
kinda
like that.
shit.
Yeah. Shit, no, it's crazy because shit like that really does happen. You really bond over mundane shit.
Yeah,
You know what I'm saying?
you know what I'm saying?
You know what I mean? Like, yo.
Like
didn't
Beyonce's
know
like,
that?
yo, Blue looks like me and you. And Jay-Z's like, it's 50% of our DNA. It's your boy.
She's like, Africa, that's far.
That's far. That's far, Jay.
Yeah.
Jay.
Shout out to my wife for spelling Hamantashen wrong, even though she's Jewish and I'm not. She spelled Hamantashen wrong, and that was the joke for like a week. You know what I'm saying? It's cool little things like that. You know what I'm saying? You know what I mean?
That's cool.
Little regular shit. You know what I'm saying? Turns into like fucking laugh riot. You know what I'm saying?
Yeah.
She'll sit here and listen to this entire podcast with a straight face.
Does she
but
listen to
then,
the podcast?
Like periodically. That's when she knows to be like, yeah, I'll fucking mention my church one more time and I'm gonna fucking kill you.
Shout out to Heather's Church.
You know what I'm saying? She's gonna come in the
Sponsor.
studio
You know
and
what I'm
fucking
saying?
murder us.
Yeah.
But not like, you know what I'm saying? You niggas listen to shit and then you're just like, yo, regular shit.
What was that?
That's it.
I thought you were going to say something.
I was.
You didn't say shit.
I pulled it back.
Pause. First pause of the...
Gotcha! The problematic light is fucking blinging.
Now we're problematic. Shout out to Melissa Harris Perry. She just lost her show or walked off her show.
Did she walk off or did she get
She
fired?
walked off.
What's the story behind it?
They said she walked off her show because she said she didn't like the way she was being treated at MSNBC. So there's like no black people on MSNBC other than Chris Hayes.
Hey, shout out to Chris Hayes. BX is in the building.
BX in the building.
You know what I'm saying?
Yeah, she's out here. We're going to get a show. We're going to have a very serious show on MSNBC every Saturday morning where we talk about black women issues. The name of the show will be called... I got nothing. Damn.
Women be shopping?
Wow.
That's terrible.
It's International Women's
Shout out to Chris
History
Rock.
Month. And
Chris Rock said that. I didn't say that. I'm paraphrasing.
Well, according to Cat Williams, Chris Rock hates black women and is a coon.
Did you hear that shit?
I
He
heard
said,
that shit.
If I would have been blessed by God to be born with monkey paws. I was like, what is this nigga talking about?
Cat Williams is
Cat
coming at
Williams is
everybody.
off the shits. Nigga, the K stands for K2.
Cat Williams, don't come at the Bodega Boys.
No.
Like,
I'll catch you at Barclays, nigga. I'll knock you out that mink.
Listen, listen.
Niggas ain't comedians, nigga. We just funny niggas.
Nigga, I will knock that perm back to natural. Don't fuck around with the fuck arounds, all right? I'm with the shits.
I'm with the shits.
Shout out to Papoose
Shout
and
out to
Remy.
Papoose, yeah.
Just had the blessed nuptials.
They took forever to come up with a song together. Am I bugging? Or did they just drop one a night and
Actually, they dropped a mixtape together a couple years ago.
Wow.
You're missing out.
Damn.
Because if you've never made love to Remy Ma and Papoose,
you know what?
you ain't really a Bronx nigga.
I haven't been to Sammy's in a while.
All right? You never wore yellow Tims and your girl wore pink Tims.
I haven't been to Mr. Sports in a minute.
Okay. Never laid your Pelly flat on the bed. And you blew her back out while she's listening to fucking Lord Finesse.
Shut the Pellies. Niggas
right.
talking about, yo, we got to put the Pellies up.
What?
No. We don't got to do that. That shit is a
No.
Bronx tradition, man.
Bronx tradition. Like camo shorts.
That's right.
And as I tweeted earlier this week.
They're coming out.
You know what I'm saying? You reach your girl, you look in the eyes and be like, yo, Ma, let me love you like a pair of camo shorts.
Let me love you.
Because there's nothing. The other thing guys like, we love our video games, we love our barber, we love our camo shorts.
That's right.
You know what I'm saying? So
Yo,
listen, I'll rock 2 pairs for the whole summer.
All summer.
Real nigga.
Just rotate.
Real nigga.
You know what I'm saying?
Put on my fuckboy cement 4 Jordans.
That's it.
Maybe an America
That's it.
flag shirt.
You got to rock.
That's the official BBQ outfit.
You got to rock
the hood niggas.
black or gray sneakers because you're rocking them all summer. You stand in front of the building.
There you go.
With your jorts.
There you go.
Or your fatigue shorts. You know what I'm saying?
Maybe some foams if you're in DC.
You got foams?
Drinking mambo sauce and listening to Go-Go with Wale.
Yep.
You know what I'm saying? Beating
Dancing.
your feet.
You know what
got
I mean?
your dreads bumping around on 8th Street.
That's right.
Shout
What
out to my DC people at Marvin.
What
We
up,
out
Mo?
there.
Kill Mo. Is that DC?
That's DC shit. And then you go to like Ben's Chili Bowl or some shit.
Yeah. Hey, Kill Mo. We going to Ben's Chili Bowl, Mo.
You know what I'm saying? Let's get up early. I gotta do my pocket square for brunch.
Hey, I got that goop, Mo.
I don't even know what that is. Now you doing like fucking regular show. Oh man.
I think goop is dust in DC. I think that's what they call dust.
Yeah. DC's wild.
Shout out to DC.
DC's wild.
Niggas smoking dust in DC, fam.
DC's
Like
wild,
it's
DC's beautiful.
like the first Wu-Tang album just came out.
Yeah.
That level of dust smoking. Woo. Niggas are smoking dust. The dust capital. That's what DC stands for.
Is it the dust Damn, DC. At it again with the white dust. Woo.
Speaking of being at it with the white dust,
you got the cocaine for cheap?
I got it.
What's the price of, we haven't spoken about coke prices in a while. I heard it's 41. I heard 41 is the going rate.
41?
That's about right? 41?
For
41
for a brick?
for a brick?
Okay.
Is that about right?
That is not bad.
What do you Spanish? You got the hookup.
40's not bad, man. I heard 30s, mid 30s.
Yeah. I heard 37.
If you speak Spanish, you're getting it for 29.
Oh, definitely.
Yeah.
Definitely. Shout out to people who learn Spanish just to get the price down on the coconut.
Yeah.
Now you fucking Poppy's daughter.
Fucking Papi's daughter, you know, you at the baby shower, you don't know how to dance bachata, now you're nervous.
Just so you know the pernil.
Yeah.
That's right. I said the R in it.
Yeah.
That's right. I don't know how to pronounce that shit.
Niggas a pernil.
Pernil. Pernil.
Yeah, that's what niggas call you moreno when you go to a restaurant. Niggas be like, yo, let me get the rice and beans and the pernil. Niggas be like, fucking moreno.
That's right. This fucking Moreno. Fucking Moreno's on. This fucking Moreno's at Moreno TV too, though. Right. So you see that. Joking off. Uncommon Sense coming back.
Mommy Chula.
April 1st.
Oh, shit. Oh, that's right. We're on like 6
Live
TV
audience.
shows.
We're on 6 TV shows.
Yeah, we're out
Shit
here.
don't change. Don't talk to me like I'm the DJ from 5 years ago. That's
No.
very disrespectful.
Don't.
You know what I'm saying? Shit don't change. I got
Don't.
options, bitch.
You know what I mean? You
All
see me
right.
at Target, ask to take a picture. Don't ask me where the diapers are, nigga, because I don't work there.
The brand is strong.
That's right.
You know what I'm saying? My biggest regret is that Nancy Reagan died before she gets to see us come back with a live audience.
That's
on
right.
Common Sense.
Talking about with the Say Yes campaign.
Just say no. That's terrible.
It's fucking corny.
That's like when your girl's like, "Yo, if you love this relationship and the thoughts run up on you, just say no." That's not enough. I need more than that. Nancy Reagan.
I'm doing the Chris Brown incredulous face right now to that. Because it's like,
Breezy.
breezy. Yo, you can't fucking, that was the dumbest shit, man.
Don't say no.
Come on, man. You niggas thought that was innovative? Yo, come on, man. Y'all niggas gotta stop.
You got your auntie stealing just the left speaker.
Come on.
Because she's strung out on crack.
Listen.
And now I'm just supposed to be like, just say no.
Just say no. That doesn't apply to us, man.
apply to us.
You know what I'm saying? Maybe you could afford to just say no at your Ivy League school. You know what I'm saying? With mommy and daddy. That's a
Speak on
safety
it.
net.
Speak on
You feel
it.
me?
Speak on it.
That's right. You know what I'm saying? We're not afforded those opportunities.
Life as a shorty can be so rough.
That's right.
You don't know what it's like to be a black and Latino man in the ghetto.
That's right. Same damn low sweater.
All right, as Bernie Sanders says.
And all the blacks and Latinos in the ghettos, they all live in the ghettos. They're all there. I want to advocate. Shout out to Bernie though. Killer Mike be delivering
But he needs a better rapper than Killer
them
Mike.
impassioned
He needs
speeches.
a better. If he got Cameron, If Bernie Sanders got a Cameron endorsement,
Imagine Young Thug up there.
Young Thug, squeak,
Sheesh.
sheesh.
Bernie my dad in the cheese.
Bernie and me, Bernie and moving and saying, I was moving in the streets. Bernie, Bernie. Since I got blue cheese.
That was an entire Young Thug mixtape.
That would be good.
Here. Just throw a beat over that.
Yo.
You know somebody's gonna do it.
Someone will. Not gonna be us though.
What else we got on here?
We got nothing else. We're done. Live from 220 West 18th Street at Red Bull Studios. Shout out to Red Bull Studios, New York, as always, providing us with the lovely sounds and lush occasions to drop the arts.
And the chilled water.
You know what I'm saying? This is your boy, Desus Nice, a.k.a. Young Chipotle, a.k.a. Chris Staff's
Hold on. Time out.
Jesus Fuego.
There's no pita chips here, though.
No pita chips today. You know what I'm saying? It's a recession.
No.
We got something else. We got something. We got Angie's.
I gotta go.
We got Angie's Boom Chicka Pop. All right?
That's right.
Artisanal. You know what I'm saying? It's your boy, Kid Mero.
Oh, shit. Yo, that's right. It's your boy, Kid Mero, a.k.a. The Human Direct Flap, a.k.a. Donovan McDab, a.k.a. Curve Gotti,
a.k.a. I love my kids.
You got kids, hug them, love them. Cameron said that shit. Remember that?
He did say that.
You got a gun, shoot it. I live by that song.
Yeah.
You know what I'm saying? Everything he says in that song, I do.
Yeah.
You caught a bed, do it.
I live by
You got
Killer
kids,
Season.
love them, hug them.
When Killer Season and Killer spit on the little girl,
Yeah.
That's how I live my life.
That's how you live your life?
Spit on little bitches. Watch out, little bitch.
Hey.
Yo, it's episode 17.
That's right.
1 + 7 = 8. 8 divided by 2 is 4. 4 times 4 is 16. 16
by 16,
1
divide the
+
30,
6
38.
= 7. The God Hour.
You know what I'm saying?
Do your maths out there.
Know what I
Stop
mean?
letting Ayesha Curry destroy black feminism. And we out.
I can't believe you said that.
What is true?
No.
She's destroying it.
So she's not.
Go home and bake a pie.
Go fucking stop. Stop buying Instagram dresses, y'all.
We out.